Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to report emails from your Outlook mailbox. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook app on your device. Once the application launches and your inbox is fully loaded, you're ready to begin the reporting process. Now navigate to your inbox and locate the specific email you want to report. This could be a suspicious message, spam, or potentially harmful content that you need to flag. Once you've found the email, tap on it to select it and open the message. This step is important because it allows you to access the additional options for that particular email. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a three-dot icon there which represents the menu for additional actions. Go ahead and tap on this icon to reveal a drop-down list of options. This menu contains various functions you can perform on the selected email, including forwarding, moving, and most importantly for our purposes, reporting. From the list of options that appears, you'll see two different methods for reporting emails, and choosing the right one depends on the type of unwanted message you've received. The first option is report phishing, which you should use if the email contains suspicious links, attempts to steal personal information, or shows other signs of being a phishing attack. These are typically emails that try to trick you into revealing passwords, credit card numbers, or other sensitive data by pretending to be from legitimate companies or contacts. The second option is report junk, which is designed for emails that appear to be spam or general unwanted content. If the message is promotional material you didn't sign up for, irrelevant advertisements, or simply cluttering your inbox without being necessarily dangerous, this is the option to choose. Both reporting methods help Microsoft improve their filters and protect not just you but other Outlook users as well by identifying and blocking similar messages in the future. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to report unwanted emails from your Outlook mailbox, helping keep your inbox clean and secure. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.